Yo, Prof here with some more Pokemon polls for you. Coming up in this video, we have one of the latest tins, the Take Team ones, and that just came out. And we're going to be doing the Celebi and Venusaur. Next up after this one, you'll see the Eevee and Snorlax. I so far have not gotten my hands on the Pikachu and Zekrom one. So if you guys know a legit place to get one of those, and that isn't super duper overpriced by the time you see this, well, let me know, as that's what I'm missing. I do, or if you get one yourself, if you'd rather have the Venusaur one, I have a second one, because I got sent one of those. They're none in stock, etc., etc. So I'd rather have a Venusaur duplicate than none at all. But I'd be willing to trade, if you're interested, or if you guys know a place to get it. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today on Prof's Pokemon polls. These are the latest ones that just came out here end of February. Let's get out the old snappy here. Take some pictures for the old records here. And in here, each one of these has the foil card you see on the front. Probably going to be bent. If it isn't, Yahoo! Yeah, Yahoo! You know, most of the included promo cards are always bent, annoyingly. Alright, so here it is. The first of the 3 tins that I only have 2 of currently. Even though I ordered all 3. Rip me. And this is the Celebi and Venusaur. Doing this because I have 2 of them. And since we don't have the first one, which is the Zekrom and Pikachu, we'll go in reverse order. Included in here, on the back side, you can see that it would be one of the hollow ones in there. 4 boosters, 1 metal Take Team GX marker. We'll see if it's actually metal or if it's just the metallized plastic like everything else. An online code. If you guys are interested in any of those online codes, hit me up on Twitter at the Prophecist. That's where I give them away. And if you're looking for updates on the latest video, because mine don't always get pushed because I'm a little tiny YouTuber, hit that bell on YouTube. That helps. But even sometimes that, it just won't show up in your subscriptions, etc. Follow over on @TechExchange though on Twitter, Instagram, and you'll see when the latest videos go up, as that is the channel's social media. Get yourself a sharp slicey boy. This is the Tuck XL from Tactical Keychains in white Cerakote. I think it'll be probably May or June before he's got another sale of these, because he's making the ones currently and he's thinking that's how long it's going to take to make and ship. Now the last set was way quicker than what he thought, as he doesn't do some of these fancier things or let you customize it as much anymore, because that's a lot of work and extra time. So keep an eye out if you are truly interested in one of those. Alright, there's top of our tin. That does look metal. I thought it was more of a coin. What do they call it? They call it a marker. I have seen that on the online version of the game. So let's pull off this top piece here, as I utterly and completely fail. Oh gosh. This is what an unboxing pro looks like, right? Oh. I was hoping just to take the top plastic piece off, but the whole thing came out. There we go. So, in here, they did secure it with the rear plastic piece, so hopefully it's not bent. Got the online card. If you guys are interested in that, you know, hit me up. My personal Twitter. This thing is proper, super hollow. Hope you guys can tell that on the camera here. Look at that thing go. Mad holographic there. Just take a look what these tins are officially called. We're looking at Spring 2019 Tag Team tin. Maybe they got delayed due to COVID. Maybe these were out before I thought. I pre-ordered them though, and they came out spring, technically winter. This is still considered in a lot of like whatchamacallits of 2021. So that's kind of weird. Let me know. Were these out before this? I didn't really see them around to buy, I don't think. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what I want to name these then. Maybe I'll look at that online. But I'm pretty sure these are brand new. Maybe I'm wrong. I know there were other tag team tins. Normally I would write on the back of the promo cards or the ones included. I will eventually do that for this one. I just have to find out what name it's supposed to have, because the online card says EN for English, Spring 2019 Tag Team 10 Celebi and Venusaur GX. However, like I said, I pre-ordered these and they were actually supposed to come next month. Like beginning of next month. So, very interesting. Oh, this thing's chunky. That's definitely metal. Let's see if we can get that in before I have to turn the camera off a bit since it's overheating here. Yeah, that is an actual metal. They used to make coins like this too. Alright, so while the camera was cooling off, I did a bit of research, and these are indeed that old. I find it odd that Amazon was doing a pre-order then for them. I think I thought they were with the Shining Fates boxes, pin collections and boxes and stuff that recently came out. However, they're not. Those are, they have their own Shining Fates tints. So, I guess these aren't as new as I thought. And, well, I guess you might be able to see what packs after I drop them all on the thing here. Alright, so we have 4 packs. We have Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon, and Steam Siege. So very similar to what I just opened with the, Tapu Koko pin collection from that same gen, I guess. Let's just do them in that order. Crimson Invasion first here. Oh, you should shortly be seeing then the Shining Fates pin collections. I do have 2 of them. But yeah, and still, if you guys have or know a place, a legit place that has the Pikachu and Zekrom ones, let me know. Or I'll trade you the Venusaur, and maybe you got duplicates, but a Pikachu. And this is going very, very poorly. It has torn like 5 different ways. We're just getting out the slicey boy. Alright. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion online card. If you guys are interested in that, hit me up on Twitter at the Prophecist. We got 1, 2, 3. Always, especially for those new Shining Fates that I do have some of coming in. Hit subscribe. Hit the little bell for get notifications. Follow on Instagram or Twitter at Tech Exchange though, as that's probably the easiest way. Since I've even found, because I follow myself on my personal account, I've even found that I don't even see my videos in my feed necessarily. Emolga, Alolan Graveler, Larion, Mischievous, Kachu. I don't know about that face. A little bit big for the head. Chimecho. Friggin' badass looking Magikarp. Is that like a Mecha Magikarp back there? Or like Bunnelby. Reverse Hollow Aeron. Then we have Grogeist, Gargorugeist, and a Fairy Energy. Alright. Next up, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Hopefully this one opens up a bit easier than the Crimson Invasion one did. Yeah, real clean. Take a little whiff here. A little bit on the musty side, I'd say. That Pokemon pull there. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Seadra. Bodybuilding dumbbells. Ace Rolla. Stuffle. Definitely have a bunch of these, I think. Meowth. Just casually strolling. Like, he's huge. He's supposed to be 1 foot. If that's like railing to code, and those are like plants, he is massive. Prospectively. Charmander. Sneasel. Alolan Grimer. I love his freaking bottom lip on the Alolan ones. The yellow. Porygon Z. Reverse Hollow. Toxicroak. And a Dark Energy. I think I might have a Porygon Z already. I know I have the Porygon Z box. For reference, guys, since you're... all of that is Pokemon's. And that bottom one is stuffed. Just put the last thing I can fit in there. Yeah. It's probably a problem. Alright, and next pack we have in this tin is your standard Sun and Moon. Let's take a peek here and see what we can pull. As I once again just cut my nails and struggle like a madman. That was a good one. Yep, still more of the musty. Maybe it's just the age of the packs. Oh, come on. It's so hard to get out. Alright, Sun and Moon. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Let's start out with a Nest Ball. Then a Rotom Dex. And a Charjabug. Skarmory. Morelol. Plenty of those. Formantis. Spearow. Pikipek. Reverse Hollow Alolan Rattata. Don't have that one. And a Stoutland. Followed by a Fighting Energy. We're pretty much striking out on all the pulls lately tonight, guys. I guess that Marnie Amazon warehouse deal was too good, you know, just too good. Last pack of the Tag Team Celebi and Venusaur GX tin is Steam Siege. And mucking that up right away. Steam Siege. Online card. 1, 2, 3. Skip Bloom. Or Skip Bloom. Halucha. Tangrowth. The one I didn't even know existed until a couple packs ago. Shellos. Dino. Larvesta, Apom, Drifloon, Reverse Hollow Rufflet, and Spiritomb. Striking out on something real good again. So. We can go over the pulls one more time here. Alright, so what we got out of the Tag Team Tin Spring 2019 that I thought was spring or winter or spring of 2021, Celebi and Venusaur GX is obviously the included promo card, the Celebi and Venusaur GX Tag Team card, a Reverse Hollow Aron, a Reverse Hollow Porygon Z, Reverse Hollow Alolan Rattata, and a Reverse Hollow Rufflet. Well, let me know how you guys think this went. I was kind of, not like rushing this, but getting them because I thought that these were new. Either way, up next is over there, the Snorlax one. And once again, if you guys happen to know of a good place to get, that's, you know, like legit, the Pikachu and Zekrom one, let me know because I am missing it. And I do have a Venusaur Celebi one to trade for it if required. That's down there. I also have some newer Rillaboom tin as well, extra. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. You know, subscribe, like, especially comment down below. Let me know how you think these are going. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.